Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Teen Talks. We are still at Web Summit, but we're outside because why not change the scenario a bit. We have Arthur here who created a company that he uses AI to get an image and create a sound that matches the image. So I wanted to wonder, how does the AI understand which song or which music is best for the image?
So very nice to be with you guys today. So you have to understand that this is what we call it's a choice. Actually, you have to choose, and you to make the AI understand what you have to choose. So it's editorialism. Okay, so we train the AI and we use data sets. We use human annotation saying, hey, this is the best song for this image or for this video, and so on and so forth, and it will train. So this is really what's behind machine learning. So you learn to the machine good examples, and then the machine is good enough to replicate all the things.
So who are you going to try to sell it to, or in which industry you're trying to use it most?
It's not the question of the industry. It's a question of who has the problem. Who has the problem of getting the right sounds? And the problem for them, it's the creators, the indies. So for example, you want to create a new video game. You want to create a new video, for example, for TikTok and so on and so forth. So these are all the creators, all the indie creators.
Yeah.
Because the problem is, if you take any random sounds on the internet, you'll have the problem that you don't have
copyright,
the rights.
exactly,
the right copyrights. And what we use is what we call the foundational model that is open source, and we retrain our algorithm with attribution 4.0. That means like basically totally free sounds, so that all the sounds that you generate through our engine are free, and you can use them, and you just have to pay a fee for us just to run up the servers, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, like it's so crazy that so many content creators have problems with this thing because they try to use the music for their video to become more entertaining, but they can't use it because of copyright.
Exactly.
But what inspired you to create this company?
It's exactly this. So it is. I'm going to write a book, and it's going to be called The Infinite Artwork. Because bear with me here. So right now we have artworks like music, videos, images that are used in new algorithms, and they are used now. And I can bet that 100 years from now, we'll still be using the same images to generate more and more value. So it means that basically you have one artwork and you can multiply it, and it will create even new revenues in the future. So what inspires me is all the people that don't own something right now.
Yeah.
And how do you help those people still being able to create, being able to have the good sound, to make the good video in order to generate interactions, good content, and interactions. Basically, this is all what's about.
Okay. So just to end the interview over here, what advice would you give to young people who want to create a company based on AI like you do?
Focus on problems. So I've seen. So we are in the Web Summit here. I guess you told it already. And there are tons of people here who just use ChatGPT to do something that is obvious. I would say, for example, ChatGPT for marketing, for designing a website, whatsoever. Sound is a less well-known problem, but it is still a problem. And the best thing if you want to start a company in general and in AI in particular is just talk to people. Talk to people like you and say, hey, what's your problem?
Yeah.
And just like get to know people, take your phone and just go out. Don't stay behind your computer.
Exactly. Look, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Do you have any final words to the viewers?
Create companies and take that trip, take that ticket to whatever it's unknown. The world is it's full of possibilities right now, and even more, it's so much easier to create a company. I've been an entrepreneur for 10 years. And right now, in 2 weeks, we can do things that we took like months, like years ago. And just there's no better moment to start than now.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.